Iba-iba ang naging reaksyon ng publiko at ng netizens, sa mga naging revelasyon ni Maine Mendoza tungkol sa kanila ni Alden Richards. May mga humanga sa tapang at pagpapakatotoo ng TV host actress, pero meron ding mga nambingga sa kanya matapos ngang aminin na totoong na in love siya noon kay Alden Richards. Ito yung kasagsagan ng kasikatan ng tambalan nilang Aldab na nagsimula sa phenomenal hit segment ng Itbulaga na kalyeserye, ilang taon na ngayon ang nakararaan. Revelasyon ni Maine Mendoza, na in love ako sa kanya. Hindi siya nanligaw, walang ganun. Dagdag pa ng asawa ni Arjo Ataide, alam din niya, very vocal ako sa lahat ng tao pati kay Alden mismo. Pagpapatuloy niya, tinanong ko siya noon ang straightforward ko naman na tao, sabihin mo na sa akin ano bang nararamdaman mo. Ang sabi niya lang, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa'yo, kasi mawawala ang magic. Siniguro naman ng Itbulaga host, na okay sila ngayon ni Alden at may closure naman daw ang kanilang relasyon. Pero tulad ng inaasahan, hati ang reaksyon ng kanilang mga supporters. May na-turn off kay Maine, dahil super late na raw ang kanyang pag-amin at may nagalit din kay Alden, dahil parang binaliwala lang daw nito ang damdamin ng dating ka-love team. Kaya naman sa pamamagitan ng Twitter, nagpaliwanag si Maine sa ginawang revelasyon, at kung bakit ngayon lang niya inamin ang naging feelings kay Alden. Okay, so about the last podcast episode. Una sa lahat, I didn't think the part about my story with Alden would spark controversy, let alone be a big deal, considering that everyone had already moved on from Kalyeserye and Aldab. From the start, I hoped the clashes between fans on both sides would end, at least, even though the hate train aimed at me was non-stop then, and apparently still remains. Ayon kay Maine, ang point talaga ng naturang podcast ay, to look back on Kalyeserye and to discuss and share behind-the-scenes stories, the untold ones, and that can include personal experiences, narratives, and sentiments. I believe it's acceptable to reflect and openly discuss them for this podcast, especially now that it's been a decade, and all is well between the individuals involved, particularly me and Alden. There is no reason to exclude him from the story, or stories, despite his absence, because he was a big part of Kalyeserye, and it would have felt strange to leave him out. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, I believe it's not a bad thing to share a personal story, related to the question and topic, as long that it's based on facts. There was no malice or ill intent behind my sharing that story about myself, him, and us. But the biggest question will always be, why do we get criticized for saying our truth and the truth? And why is it when we do, some people resort to personal attacks meant to demean and harm? I get that we have supporters who aren't really fans of the other, but why the hostility? Why pit a woman against a man, as if there's a competition for who's more successful? Ani pa niya, 10 years on, we are all living the lives we chose, and I hope we can keep moving forward without nurturing hate, because what's the point? What do we gain from hostility? Life is short. When our time comes and memories flash before our eyes, don't let yours be filled the moments you spewed negativity online. Don't let it be your only contribution in this life. Ang dami pang pwedeng gawin sa buhay, bukod sa pagiging tambay sa internet at pagiging hater. Sa huli, may pakiusap pa si Maine Mendoza sa lahat. Anya, P.S. Please don't throw hate on Alden. Regardless of what he meant by his words, it was really for the best for both of us, and our situation at that time.